See it there in the nation, people. I don't know if I'm a gimmicks thing there about here, Right now, the big thing is about, the Dr. Beenie man, How him come out, and claim, say, when Vybz Cartel and Ninja Man in a Vybz, him claim, say, him bring him back, and how him give him the first billboard hit, and all them kind of scenario them dep and thing at all. Beenie man, we don't know a promotion here, look. And true, you don't have the motherland Africa. You claim say Stone Boy are the prince of reggae. We know where you are the Beenie man. We know a promotion you are deal with for whatever you did down there deal with. It's not necessarily the stage show thing, but knowing that you are Stone Boy have project for drop. I don't know if the same project I got there on your album, whatever you are going with, but we don't know a promotion you talk about because that ain't no, you can't prove that to it. That ain't true, you know what I mean? And we know it, you know it, and everybody know it. But what you are going nation people first. Of the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going, carefully, a franchise. The chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already, when I come for represent. Full effective now. You don't know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion but you. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza's favorite, most definitely. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. It can't get no better than that, sir. You know, everybody always use Vybz Cartel name for some clout and some hype. It ain't no different with Beenie Man nation people. Because you have to remember, say, Vybz Cartel hit the billboard with tech first. You see me? Then picture you and me. You know what I mean? Beenie Man not in that tune there. You see what I say? No gimmicks business no dead about it. You know what I mean? And when you check the billboard status, it's an individual tune. It's no collaboration. You see what I say? So when I say sound contrary to we not gonna say, well then, him and the boss never link up and do number one song. Yeah, but to him exaggerate and I talk about billboard it and all them shit. They're not at all no go to nation people. Total hypocrisy. And we don't know say where Beenie Man I deal with. So him go to work most of the time. We know where him I deal with. We know all promotion. You see what I say? And then you have some people now, which is Beenie Man fans them are going run in and I talk about how the world boss can't be king because him not get no Grammy. What kind of nonsense you know they talk about? Eh? What kind of stupidness you know they talk about? Remember the first king of the dance hall was Yellow Man. Him never get no Grammy. So you feel like you can come and switch things around and talk all type of fuckery. Yellow Man was the first king of the dance hall. Him never get no Grammy, my brother. No lollipop thing that they about it. Shabba get 2 Grammy and them still never crown him no king. So what you say to me? Yo, no behave on yourself and know what you do and stop act like you feel like you can't come change this thing around, You can't change it from the way the man them set it. You can build on it and add to it. You cannot change it. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. No lollipop thing no dead about it. When it come on to king of the dance hall, where we the people say. You see what I say? And when we the people come out and say something, you don't have nobody where they can come block that or come change that or come do what them feel like with it. And we the people run shit. We're not big like we the people. And don't forget, act like you want to get into yourself, and go like say, we the people put on there, And try to have some respect for we the people, You hear that? No lollipop thing not there about it. You know what I mean? Some of them don't know how I feel like when you cannot get bright. And I come and talk about this, and I talk about that, and about Grammy and this and that. Yellow man never have no Grammy, and him are the first king of the dance hall. One chat say. No one talk to people, my brother. Before we the people, have to start draw back some of our credit to our goal, Stop act like we're bigger than we the people, You hear that? Just try remember how to reach which part we're not going. And we the people showing the way, Okay? So don't make off a black road pound, You see what I say? Yeah. So when we the people come together and say, well then, the world boss are the king, we don't want to hear no bumbo open up. You hear that? Keep your bumbo shut. You see what I say? Because we're not going to take on to nothing different. And we're not going to change the word. We're not going to change from what we say. You know what I mean? Because we know what we're going. You know what I mean? So just make certain, say, that type of thing that we want to hear. Beenie man there, they chat about. Just make certain. We don't know it's all promotion thing. And that's not what we the people are say. That's not what we the people are think. You see what I say? And that's not what we the people are enjoying right now. You hear that? No gimmicks thing that they about it. No lollipop thing that they about it. You see what I say? The world boss thing shut off and take off first class. You see what I say? And they ain't nothing. Nobody could have do about that. Because the world boss been a clock up the billboard long time. Way before you hear some people all come out and all chat and all run them mouth. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing no dead about it. I told the world boss is not a man we hype with certain shit. You see what I deal with? Yeah man. You know what I mean? Yeah, no lollipop thing no dead about it, Gaza Nation. So I don't know where the big excitement about and what we not chat about. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something. You know, look a jockstrap sniffing fan boy out there. You see anything when nobody come out and talk about the world boss, you know quick to jump up and go like you know one second and third. When it's nothing but some look a yes man, my brother, on YouTube. And no lollipop thing, no gimmicks thing, no dead about it. You know all nothing but some look a yes man on YouTube international business. So anytime when you hear nothing crack off, quick to come and walk me up on the mouth. Nobody now asks you for interview because nothing we Beenie man I say can prove that. That's what I say. No lollipop thing not there about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. And we don't know. There ain't no more artists name him could have called pan for ride pan. Down in Africa like that. Him have to call the world boss name. No joke shit not there about it. Him not have to call Vybz Kartel name. Africa I'm there, my brother. The people them done and you have people down in Africa will cut up over the idea and go and bad, about how him a talk about him a king, Because you don't know how when it come on to Africa, you don't know what go on when it come on to the world boss down there, When you see the motorcade, you see the buses them, you know what I mean? No joke shit not there about it. Let me tell you something. For all these vendetta jockstrap sniffing fan boy, when I see come on the internet, every time them see Ear to Boss live, and I come on and go like them want batty up the man channel just because them want strike it. I'm telling you something, brother. When I see a Gaza man run over on a live and I post up them ridiculous stuff there. You see what I say? Forget on a channel strike or if even disturb on a channel. Because Gaza man them not deal with them type of lollipop thing there. Oh now go on with it. You see what I say? Yo, Here to boss I got have a phone. Well, I got see the number on the platform. Well, you can call in and discuss about an artist. All you have to do is just keep it respectable. Because nobody now go kick you out. One like CV and them man there. So when time people are talking and tell you the truth, you kick them out. No, as long as you keep it respectfully, everything will go good. You see what I say? All you have to know, you can't send a man up underneath him mother nor him father, and you can't talk over no man in the panel box, nor you can't talk over the host, because fame sure. So respect of the Jew. And once you voice your opinion, you're able to talk to every man in the panel box. As you know, I say, all you have to do is just defend yourself with the argument, because that you call in for. You see what I say? So as long as you have proof and evidence of what you are talking about, and you're sure what you are talking about, you call in. You see what I say? Because I don't know fighting thing. You see what I say? Just make certain, say you're lyrically inclined. You see what I say? To the people them who you have to face when you rise up certain argument. Because you got hear a whole heap of apostrophe. No lollipop thing not there about it. And the general, the 10-star one, I represent nation people. A Gaza way, you know, there ain't no other way. A 10-star general. What?